Let's start with that. So the final total at DFW is 2.6 inches. We average 1.7 for an entire winter, and this is the most since the February storm of 2021, where 5 inches of snow fell. Now take a look at this map. These are the accumulations across North Texas. Less than an inch in the dark blue. The light blue is 2 to 5, and then up north, kind of along and north of US 380, 5 to 8 inches. But the split across the Metroplex, I think, is the most fascinating thing. If you look, Denton County, 5 to 8 inches plus, 2 to 5, so let's just say you're going down 35. You run into 5 to 8 inches in Denton, Louisville, Carrollton, you run into maybe 2 to 5, and then well under an inch right when you get into Dallas. If you look at DBU right now, step out of the way, DBU, no snow melt today because there was no snow to melt. 52 degrees the temperature there, but I will tell you, Denton has been really doing a job with the melting today because of the sunshine. Highs today in the 50s. That's where 4 to 5 inches of snow fell at UNT. So again, very short distances made a big difference. 55 was the high at DFW today, which is close to the normal. Normal feels pretty good, actually. 56 degrees is the normal. The low this morning, a cold 23. Outside right now, it's a little breezy with winds out of the south at 20 miles an hour, and 52 degrees the temperature at DFW. 54, the temp in Dallas, 50 in Denton. You can see where the snowpack is. That's where it's very cold. It's in the 40s along the Red River, 49 in Bonham, 46 in Sherman, but 55 in Corsicana, so it's making about a 10-degree difference because there's snow here keeping it insulated and cold. Satellite radar, it's clear. We're going to keep it clear tonight. Mostly clear skies overnight tonight. It'll be a chilly night. And we'll see a couple clouds build in throughout the day on Sunday. It's a mostly sunny day, but this is noon. As we get into the afternoon, a little bit of cloud cover, especially in the eastern half of the area. We'll kind of roll through, but we'll have a good amount of sunshine. High temperatures not quite as warm as they were today. We're expecting closer to 50 degrees rather than 55. 32, that's the low tonight in Dallas. Watch again for black ice. It's another concern, especially bridges and overpasses. While we're not going to get quite as cold as we did this morning, we had a lot of melting go on today. So the areas that saw snow and still have some and have the snow melt on the roads, bridges and overpasses could freeze over again tonight. So if you're going out early tomorrow morning, just know until it gets above freezing, which will be around 8 o'clock in the morning, we have that risk for black ice. Highs tomorrow, upper 40s, close to 50 degrees. Where the areas that still have snow, a little bit colder than that. 49 in Waxahachie, 53 in Granbury. We're on our way up before we're on the way down. 54 Wednesday, Thursday next week, 58, Friday 65, and then beyond that you see the line go down. Some cold air is on the way for next weekend, and there is a chance. Right now it's a low chance, but there is a chance for a little bit of a wintry mix. Tonight 32 degrees, dry and cold, breezy at times. Dry and cool, breezy at times tomorrow. It's a north wind tomorrow, not a south wind, so that will keep us a little bit cooler. Again, we're closer to 50 rather than 55. 14-day forecast. You see the beginnings of the cooler air come in for Saturday. Cold front comes in. We may have a high of only 40 next Sunday with a chance for a little wintry mix. Same thing for Monday. For Martin Luther King Jr. Day, we could have a snowflake, a sleet pellet. We'll have to see. Right now, the precip chances on the lower side, but it's how it works. We will fine-tune the forecast. You've heard that one before. We'll fine-tune the forecast as we get closer, but right now, at the very least, we're expecting a reinforcing shot of some cold air.
Sounds very January to me.
So January.
Yeah.